Over the last 20 years, email has become a victim of its own success. Users increasingly suffer from email overload and waste an enormous amount of time and effort to manage their inboxes. Our solution, Live Inbox, attempts to solve this problem by concentrating on the most interesting thing in email, the people you communicate with. Live Inbox appears as a sidebar within Microsoft Outlook that puts a face to every email in your inbox, quite literally. For each person you communicate with, Live Inbox automatically creates a rich social profile drawing information from your social networks. For instance, here I'm looking at a mail from Sudhir Sial and I can see his LinkedIn profile here, his Facebook wall, as well as his Twitter feed. You can both read and reply to posts from here. There are two benefits from this. Firstly, you can now manage your communications in a single place that combines email and social networking. And secondly, you always have an up-to-date address book that requires no manual curating. Now, one of the big problems with email is trying to find information that you want. Let's say I want to find a presentation that I sent to Sabir Bhatia, our mentor, 2 months ago. Now, if I were to try to find this by sorting or searching, it would take me a while to find it within Microsoft Outlook. With Live Inbox, I can do it in 2 seconds with 2 clicks. So here I'm looking at an email from Sabir. I click on the Attachments tab and I click on the presentations filter and I get a list of all the presentations that have been shared in emails involving Sabir and me. I can open the attachment from here or click on the email containing this file from here. The key thing to note here is that I never had to run a manual search or leave the email that I was looking at. Our innovation is to enable you to find relevant information without you having to search for it in the first place. It works the same way for historical emails. You can see all the emails involving Sabir and me here, and links within emails too. Apart from information, the other common thing that we search for in email is people. Let's say Sabir introduced me to a potential partner a year ago, but I don't remember her name or company. Normally, it would be tricky to find something like this. But with Live Inbox, all I have to do is click on the Network tab here, and I can see a list of all the people that have been included in emails between Sabir and me. From here, it is relatively easy to find the person that I'm looking for. Speaking of connections, not all connections are equal, but no social network quantifies how important a particular contact is to you. You might have 100 contacts in LinkedIn, but only know 5 of those people really well. But there is one social network that knows this information and it lives right here on your desktop. Email. Live Inbox unlocks the latent social network hidden within your email. Our analytics engine can determine if someone is important to you, how important they are, and how they relate to others in your network. We can use this information in several useful ways. For instance, we can use this to display messages from people who are important to you at the top of your inbox and focus on them when you have a number of 100 messages. So for instance, here you can see that I'm seeing all the 100 messages in my inbox here, and these are actually ordered in terms of the rank or the importance of each of those contacts. From here, I can process each of these emails or a set of emails together in various ways and save time. So to summarize, Live Inbox provides a significant improvement over an existing way of doing things. It makes Outlook work the way your brain does. It is intuitive and user-friendly, and it impacts a technology that is both universal and critical to business operations. Most importantly, it allows you to use email exactly as you do today. However, it gives new functionality and allows you to interact in whole new ways with your email without asking you to do anything manually at all. We make your inbox a happier place. Live Inbox will totally change the way you deal with your emails by creating a smarter inbox that turns email into your biggest and most important social network.